What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we got the Red Cat all fixed up and we're going to run it. Got a little snow over here, as you can see, and we're about to have some fun with her. All-wheel drive, so you know what time it is. If you missed that I fixed it and got the pinion gear installed, you should be following me on my Instagram channel at no.pros.rc so you can get the inside scoop before the tube does. Alright, so no more time to waste because we burn the daylight. Let's go.
Enemies.
Alright, so we got some things that's backwards. So that's right here. Okay. Reverse steering. Wait, what? Oh, duh. I got the. Wait, what? I had it on backwards. So that's me. Steering's a little weak.
A few moments later.
I had it on backwards.
Okay, from what I must say, this thing seems like it's pretty fast. So let's watch it.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
That doesn't sound good. Must have lost the gear spur. And she did. Son of a...
What did she lose?
She lost the gear spur.
Right there.
Right where?
Isn't that it? That gold thing?
Yeah, where? How the hell did it get down there? And it has the screw. And I screwed it on tight.
A few moments later.
Alright, well, I don't have my tools here with me, guys. So this is gonna be one of those videos that's like a fail. And I need to figure out why this came off. I mean, it's screwed on there real tight. How did it come loose? It makes no sense. Well, and I wanted to rip it in the snow too. That sucks. But it happens. Here at No Pros RC, you get the good, the bad, and the ugly. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow us on the ground. Back to the drawing board to get this guy straightened out. Right after I jumped, the gear spur came off. This is No Pro saying, I don't know. Y'all be easy. Peace.